As you can see, the LED light of my motherboard does not turn on. Even I plug my computer on a socket. I tried to switch it on and off, but nothing happens. When you have this kind of problem, first thing you need to do is to check the motherboard's components, especially the CPU and RAM. If your motherboard's components are working alright, then check your power supply and its cord. And if those are working, then you have a faulty or a dead motherboard. Also, jumpstart your motherboard by using a screwdriver. If you successfully jumpstart your motherboard, then you may have a problem with your PC case jumper wires. I tried to jumpstart this motherboard, but still this motherboard would not turn on. So here's my new motherboard. It doesn't have a LED light unlike the my previous motherboard, but it's working alright. I did not change my CPU. I did not replace my CPU, my RAM. I did not also change my power supply. The only component that I changed is the motherboard. Also the cord. Also, this motherboard is fairly cheap, so it's a good deal.